software engineering tools to know as a programmer. The following are the top 11 websites to help you to do your job faster. 1. JetBrains IDEs. Whether you code in Python or you're good at designing websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you'll find a fully loaded IDE for you. 2. GitHub. GitHub is the most used platform for managing and Git repositories. 3. CMake. CMake is an open-source system-agnostic software used for building automation of programs written in C and C++ languages. 4. Vaadin. It is an open-source platform that simplifies the process of creating web apps with Java by giving you all the components, frameworks, collaboration, and testing tools you'll need. 5. Eclipse IDEs. Eclipse is one of the most popular IDEs for Java development. It's free, open source, and available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. 6. Lightrun. Lightrun is an observability platform that saves you hundreds of hours of debugging. 7. Docker. Docker is an open-source containerization platform that packages the application and dependencies inside a container. Over 13 million developers are currently using this software engineering tool, and you should do so. 8. Jenkins. Jenkins is the most flexible, powerful, and open-source automation server. It's used to build and test your software projects without going through the painful manual work. 9. Buddy. With Buddy, you don't need to be an expert in DevOps to quickly set up a CI/CD environment. It easily integrates with your favorite Git and deploys platforms. 10. Decompiler. Decompiler is a simple tool that lets you decompile binaries into what previously were a few lines of code. 11. Jira. Jira is a powerful work management tool for software engineering projects. Happy work in the description below. You will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.